This is a brand new 2012 Ford Taurus. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, speed-sensitive volume controls, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel mounted gear shifting, a four-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, dusk sensing headlights, a folding rear seat, and aluminum wheels. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.